lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out for the very first time ever BLK lipstick. So I have these two BLK lipsticks to try out today. I actually got two different formulas and I'm so super excited to get into this. But before we try these both out, I want to invite you guys to subscribe, ring the bell, like and comment on this video, and of course to join my giveaway. I am giving away a bunch of stuff, makeup, skincare, accessories. So if you guys want to join, if you guys want to win, just check it out at the link in the description box below. So let's get into this first impressions review video of BLK lipsticks. Now I know I'm a little bit late in the game. BLK has been around for a while, but it is new to me. I have never ever tried it ever in my life, so I'm so super excited to get into it today. So I have two lipsticks right here, so I'm going to be trying this one first. So this is the BLK Universal All Day Lip. So this is from the Universal collection, and this is how it looks like. I really like it. I love the packaging, and I got the shade Latte. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's very beautiful, very KKW vibes, and this is also something I really love. So I actually got this one because the shade looks like a beautiful dark brown hint of pink type of nude, so that's why I picked it up. So let me just swatch it on my hand for you guys. Ooh, this is very creamy formula. I feel like this is gonna be really comfortable on my lips, so let's try it out. So when I said let's do a lip swatch, I didn't realize that I forgot to remove the lipstick I had for the intro before I could actually put this lipstick on. But anyway, it is gone now, so let's try this on my lip. I love this shade. It is so beautiful and very wearable for every day. It's like a dark nude type of situation happening, and the formula, it's so smooth and silky, and it doesn't dry out my lips or anything. I really like this one. I can definitely see myself wearing this every single day. It is that beautiful and that comfortable on my lips. This actually kind of looks similar to my Bench lipstick. Let me just swatch it beside it as comparison. Okay, so they're kind of different. So this one right here is the what I'm wearing on my lips right now. This is the BLK lipstick, and this one is the Bench lipstick. So the Bench one actually has more of a red sheen, and the BLK one has more of a nude pink mauve type of vibe going on, and I think it is really beautiful. I love how my lips look right now, and it actually kind of made my lips look a bit bigger. So I'm really loving this. Definitely will wear this more. I'll do like a wear test and everything just to see, you know, how this fares, if this is long lasting and everything. But wow, I mean, everything from packaging to formula to color, this is really great. Now, if I remember correctly, this Universal collection actually came with a bunch of these lipsticks in different shades, but this is the only shade I actually wanted to get because I wanted to go for more nude colors, something I could wear every day, because the others were more bold colors, red. It's just not for me. But when I found Latte, when I swatched it, when I tried it on, I knew that I just like the shade. And this is actually my first time trying it on my lips because I don't usually try the tester stuff on my face. I really like this, and this one is only 299 pesos. I think that is a fair price for what you are getting. This, I mean, the formula, the color, the packaging, the quality you are getting for that price, I think is really great. And I can't believe that I only tried BLK makeup right now. I should have tried it the moment Ann Curtis released it, and you know, the only reason I actually went out and bought it is because I saw on the news that she's pregnant, and then I told myself I don't want her to have a baby without me trying out the makeup yet. It's just one of those things that I always told myself I would do, but I never did. But now I am, so I'm happy I did, because this is a really great discovery. I may like this more than my Maybelline Clay Crush. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna wear it out more and see which one I like better. The next one I'm gonna try is the BLK Long Lasting Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I got the shade Simple. Now, the reason why I got the shade Simple is because, again, I wanted to find a shade that was very wearable, something I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use on a daily basis, and this is how it looks like. You know, points for BLK, their packaging is always on point, so beautiful, it looks really high-end, and I cannot wait to put this all over my lips. Let's do a swatch. So this is how this shade looks like. This is a very beautiful shade. I actually think it's more nude than the first lipstick I tried. I'm gonna put this all over my lip. This is one layer of the lipstick, but honestly, it doesn't have the pigmentation or the color payoff that I was expecting, so I may just add another layer. But before that, this actually dried pretty fast. I mean, I had enough playtime with it before it dried down, but wow, I was pretty amazed at how fast this dried. Ooh, it is transfer proof. I'll show you guys. There is nothing on my hand. Wow, that is amazing. And it actually feels really good, really light on my lips. But it is kind of emphasizing the lines and texture of my lip, but it's not that bad. So I'm gonna try to do a second layer, see if this makes it better or worse. I actually could make it worse. With the second layer, the pigmentation definitely got better. I really like how it looks right now. Now, this is definitely a shade that I would use lip liner with because it might be a bit too nude for me, or I don't know, maybe it's the lighting, but it kind of became a dusty rose type of shade on me. But I actually really like the formula. I think the formula is great. I put 2 layers, I let one dry first, then I put the second layer, and nothing was streaky, nothing is cracking, nothing looks cakey. And I think that is really great, that it really melds well together. I'm kind of on the fence with this one because I do like the formula, but on my lip, I mean, my lip doesn't feel heavy or anything even though I put 2 layers of this, but I can see the texture of my lips. I don't know if that is something I like in the long term, but it really does feel good on my lips. But the way it makes my lips look, I don't know, I definitely have to wear this out more. But you know, maybe I should do a wear test of this because this actually claims to be long lasting. So let me know if that is a video you guys would be interested in. If not, I will just do it on my own time. But yes, I'm kind of on the fence with this. The shade, it's okay, and not really an everyday nude that I would use. But the formula does feel comfortable, it does feel light, it's like I'm not wearing anything, so that's really great. My only issue now is it might look too dry on my lips, and it might actually make my lips really dry, so I don't know, let's see. That is it for my first impressions review video of BLK lipsticks. Now, I hope you guys like this video. I'm actually thinking of doing like a BLK versus Kylie type of video. Let me know if you guys are interested in that because I think it would be cool to see, you know, just how well a product performs, a local product versus an international product. I don't know, just something I thought of right now. So that is basically it for this video. Overall, I actually really like the lipsticks I had in this video. There are just certain things that I kind of have to check when I do like a long wear test type of situation, but overall I am very happy with these lipsticks, especially this one. I really like this one. It really gives me KKW vibes. It's very moisturizing, smooth, silky. I love it. Now this one, the colors is okay, but the formula feels really great on the lips. Now the way it looks on the lips, I don't know, that's a different story, but overall I am very impressed with these lipsticks. I can't believe that this is Ann Curtis's baby. It's really great, amazing, and I will definitely try out more from the brand. Now, if you guys have more suggestions, like what exactly do you recommend from the BLK brand, which line, which collection, just let me know in the comments down below. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!